Hello, everyone, and welcome to Motorcycle Adventure USA, where I'll be putting up all kinds of different content, motorcycle culture related. In this video, the new Harley Davidson models and cold starting my 95 Springer FX STS. Little walk around the bike. My nice new sissy bar. And I threw a set of saddlebags on there so I could carry my camera around. And of course, every serious rider needs a windshield. Unless you're just going to go around the block. Alright. So we turn on the ignition, pull out the choke, pull in the clutch. Twist the throttle wide open a few times. Prime that nice carburetor. Let's turn the volume down a little bit. There you go, that's better. A whole 80 raw cubic inches of Evo reliable power. Best motor ever for Harley Davidson. All right, now here we are at Williams Harley Davidson in Lebanon, New Jersey. I just took a ride up here. That's about a half-hour ride, maybe a little more. And if you don't know Williams Harley Davidson in Lebanon, New Jersey, if you live around here, they have a great service department. One of the best. 2007, I bought my brand new Road King Classic here, so you could see my bike is parked there, so you know I rode it. I rode it there. And let's see what bikes we got in the parking lot. Some sweet machines. Pretty blue. And an ultra classic here. And since this is my first video, I'm checking out how stable my video camera is. And it didn't look too steady to me, so. And here we go, I ran out of batteries, so now I'm over to my phone. This paint job is absolutely gorgeous. It looked blue, it looked purple, it looks green, depending on how you look at it, kind of like a flip-flop. Harley new models are bringing back the #1 with the flag, which I really, really like. I was hoping that they would bring that back. And this bike is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that paint, metal flake, flip-flopping. another number 1 on the front fairing. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that thing. And we go down to the ABS brakes. And the bad one, 14. That is a pretty motor. The new Milwaukee 8. And another run through. Alright, let's take a look inside and see what's going on in the showroom. There are certainly a lot of bikes to be had, even some leftovers from last year. And this particular model caught my eye. And I was looking at that rear wheel. Man, that thing is bad. Just the rear wheel alone is a work of art. Look at how deep that is. Just an incredible bike. I'd swap those handlebars out though in a second. That's not the right bars for this bike. Floorboards, which I like. I can't stand my forward controls. And look at that. Let's smoke a fatty. That's a fatty for sure. Alright, moseying along in the showroom. And I took a step past that road glide that I like so much. And as you can see, Williams still has some 2020 leftovers. And this is a very nice bike. And again, that Milwaukee 8. It reminds me of the old knucklehead for all of you old school guys like me. That's why I dig it. There is no shortage of motorcycles. Look down that row, guys. And everybody says Harley Davidson. Oh, Harley is too expensive. Harley is not expensive. It's not any more expensive than any other motorcycle. Really. You're paying less for a Harley Davidson than you did in 2008, according to some people, with inflation and the way things are rising and things are going up. You're actually paying less for a new Harley than you did in 2008. And this just may be my next motorcycle. Although I'm not digging the paint on this, but I am loving the blacked out motor and the black pipes. Don't know if I'm crazy about the color. And there's the queen seat. I call that the queen seat. So when you take your queen out for a ride, it's got a nice soft butt and you can hear them speakers relaxing in the back. Just beautiful motorcycles that Harley Davidson is making. When you sit on a Harley Davidson, you have things that look like metal around you, not plastic. And there that is, the sheet that tells you all about the Road Glide. Road Glide Special. Right there, go snap it up at Williams Harley Davidson. I usually don't give recommendations, but they have a great service department and the salespeople are wonderful and they actually know how to ride motorcycles. Alright, let's go over here to my new fantasy, the Live Wire. Man, if I had money and I was rich, I'd definitely have one of these in the garage. Adjustable suspension, super quick, and I think super cool looking. So if you're listening, Harley Davidson, make sure you keep these, keep upgrading them, keep upgrading the amount of miles you could go. This thing's got Brembo brakes, the works, and I just think they're cool. There's two dials right there over the fender, adjust the suspension, dampening, and there's another one. So they have 3 live wires. So if you're looking for a live wire and you can't find one, mosey on over to Williams Harley Davidson in Lebanon, New Jersey. And they got all kinds of stuff, stickers and things. Now here we go with the number 1 paint schemes again. A nice little bobber. I kind of like the black and orange. And if you look at this motor, you'll see it's mostly matte black or matte black, whatever you want to call it. Very nice. I love the white, and with the number 1, it reminds me of the old 70s Super Glide that I loved so much, which they made a model for a little while. So if you have one of those Super Glides, make sure you keep it in stock, good running condition. Probably bring some money down the line. Now this little bike's got a 114 in it also. This baby must smoke that tire. You could probably crack the throttle and spin that tire at 40 miles an hour going down the road. Don't like the tank on that one, but that's it. Thanks very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Brand new channel, Motorcycle Adventure USA. And we'll be getting to it this summer. So come on back, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.